Hey guys, my name is Callie and I'm the creator of Glazed Epoxy, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I did this beautiful cup right here. Just this really pretty with leopard print at the top, this kind of, what am I calling this color? I don't even know. So these colors, these glitter colors, are actually part of my Color Flex glitter collection behind me here. They will be releasing soon. I'm so excited about it. We're just trying to figure out packaging and labels and website and all that stuff. But yes, so these two colors will be in my first collection. And if you are interested in seeing how I did this cup, then I will show you in this video. But I thought this little quote, "Be the game changer," was cute. I'm all about positive quotes, positivity, getting inspired, just all the good things in life. I hate focusing on negative things or just being a negative person in general. Like, I always want to see the good in things. I always want to try to take a bad situation and just learn from it and come out a better person. So anything that's positive and inspirational, motivational, I am all about it. So I thought "Be the game changer" was just a really cute quote, because I feel like it doesn't matter what happens to you in life. If you take that and you run with it and you become better and more successful and just all of those things, like if you just put all of that energy into being better and creating a better life for yourself, like that's all it's about. So yes, so let's get into this video. I'm gonna stop talking now, but I will show you how to do this beautiful tumbler right here. All right, let's go. So starting out with just this stainless tumbler, I'm not sure where I caught this. I think it might have been Michael's. Just going to take the lid off, and I prepped it with vinyl sand. So taking the Rust-Oleum Deep Forest paint and just painting the bottom like 3/4 with this. Then using Rust-Oleum Metallic Gold for the top part. So then I have some Artisan Fast Set ready just to put the glitter on. So just spreading a tiny bit of this all over the cup, just evenly and really, really thin, just so we can get the glitter to stick. So then I'm using this really pretty deep teal kind of color. It will be in my collection soon, so I can't talk about the name yet, but this is the medium cut I'm going to have, where you can get several different sizes. So first I went in with the medium one. I kind of just went all around the bottom rim and then on the bottom of the cup and just kind of faded it up a little bit. So then I grabbed the small cut of the same color and just kind of filled it in and extended that to cover up the rest of the painted blue part. When I'm doing any kind of ombre glitter, I like to work more slow and just take my time with it. I feel like it always turns out way better than just rushing it and dumping the glitter on. So then taking the next color, this one is a really, really pretty pale kind of champagne gold, and this is a chunky mix. So just taking that on the top and fading it down into the blue-green color. So then I just let it spin to dry. And I did a layer of epoxy, which I didn't film, I guess. And then I started doing these leopard spots. So I just take some Mod Podge and a little paintbrush and just kind of paint on. Everyone kind of has their own style with leopard spots. You could do bigger or smaller or more circular or more C-shaped. So it's all just depending on what you like and how you like to do your leopard. And I just kind of work in sections so that the Mod Podge doesn't get dry or anything, and just sprinkle the glitter on. And then you can tap off the excess, but don't worry about any glitter that's in between right now. If we try to get it off, it most likely will mess up our spots. So I like to just wait till it's fully dry to get that extra glitter off. So then on the bottom, I wanted just a couple little of the more champagne colored spots. So same thing, just Mod Podge and sprinkle the glitter on. So then once it's dry, I usually like to wait at least a day. I just take a brush and just kind of wipe off the excess glitter, and you have your nice spots. So then you want to use the Rust-Oleum clear spray. I like the matte one better, just to seal the glitter. And I did do this on the first step too. And don't mind those really sparkly, blinding glitters over there. Those are just some other cups I'm working on. You'll see those later. So then once that is dry, go ahead and go on another layer of the epoxy. This is just the regular DIY Artisan epoxy. And once that was dry, I did my decal in this pretty kind of mint color. I just thought it looked really nice with the colors I had chosen. And it just says, "Be the game changer." I just thought that was really cute and just very motivational and positive. So weeding that out, which is something I hate, but it wasn't too bad on this one. Then just using transfer tape, which I just need to get different transfer tape. Everyone suggested to put it on my skin or my shirt first so it's not as sticky. And I did that, and I still am having issues with it. So I keep forgetting to get a new one, but I need to. So I'm just placing the decal on as straight as I can. So then one final coat of the DIY Artisan epoxy to finish this cup.